Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save money on content management with Drupal, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To save money on content management with Drupal, start by assessing your current needs. Evaluate your website's content structure and identify any areas for improvement. Choose the right hosting provider that offers good performance and support for Drupal. Consider using a managed hosting service to simplify server management. Research and select a distribution that aligns with your project requirements. Distributions often come with pre-configured features that can reduce setup time. Utilize Drupal modules to enhance functionality without needing custom coding. Explore contributed modules that address your specific needs, like SEO or e-commerce. Take advantage of Drupal's built-in caching to improve site performance. Implement a content strategy to organize and prioritize your content creation efforts. Train your team on how to effectively use Drupal's admin interface. Encourage collaboration by utilizing Drupal's user roles and permissions. Optimize your images and multimedia to improve loading times and reduce storage costs. Regularly update your Drupal installation and modules to maintain security and performance. Consider using automated tools for backups and updates to save time and effort. Evaluate your theme to ensure it meets both aesthetic and performance criteria. Use a responsive design to enhance user experience across devices and reduce bounce rates. Monitor your website's analytics to identify areas for improvement in content strategy. Create reusable content types to streamline the authoring process. Leverage Drupal's multilingual capabilities if your audience is diverse. Implement a content migration strategy if you're transitioning from another platform. Finally, seek community support in forums for troubleshooting and advice on cost-effective solutions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.